Are you looking for the best miter saw stands in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saw stands that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bosch Portable Gravity Rise-Wheeled Miter Saw Stand. This was the cream of the crop when it came to miter saw tables. This excellent Bosch table supports up to 300 pounds, can run out to 18 impressive feet, and even has wheels. All of this comes at some expense, of course, but for those who can afford the monetary hit, it'll be worth every penny. The entire frame is durable and well suited. The weight of just a touch over 91 pounds might seem intimidating, but the entire affair is well balanced and not much hard to move than a regular hand truck. The wheels are even pneumatic, making them easy to move across rougher areas like job sites. It's extremely sturdy once placed. No amount of normal use or even moderate abuse is going to tip it over while you're working, which was a definite plus in our book. The uniquely designed frame ensures it remains upright. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt Miter Saw Stand. Simple wouldn't even begin to describe this stand. It's just 4 sturdy legs with a great clamp for the saw, all built up the quality standards you'd expect from any DeWalt product. That said, in testing it proved to be more portable than even some of the wheeled saw stands which made it through testing. There's also the little fact that the rated capacity is an astonishing 1000 pounds to take into account. It's not going to win any prizes for storage, being about the size of a sawhorse and not folding down, but most people will be able to make room for it pretty easily. There's also the fact it doesn't have the usual holders for the workpiece. The 3rd product on our list is the Bora Pomate PM4000 Heavy-Duty Folding Miter Saw Stand. The Bora Portamate PM4000 doesn't seem to come from any familiar companies. Still, it seemed highly rated, so we dug it out to give it a shot and see what all the fuss was about. Right out of the package it looked a bit flimsy, but it's rated to hold 500 pounds and held up to 350 pounds during our testing without so much as a grunt of protest, so we guessed that the actual rating is quite similar to that. Bora Portamate PM4009, the arms only extend to 10. However, so keep that in mind if you're planning on using full-length lumber for a project, or you'll end up having to chop 24 from the end of your board to fit it in there. Other than that, it was perfectly serviceable and came in at a great price. It was also extremely easy to use compared to many of the others we tested, which is a big bonus for those who are unfamiliar with these tools. 2nd on our list is the TOMX Miter Saw Stand. For those who are just looking for something that works, the TOMX is a great deal. It's cheap, lightweight, and has extendable arms that hit the 6 mark. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a great garage stand for those who aren't concerned about the space it will take up. Overall, we'd give this one solid marks on build quality, although not excellent. For the price, you're getting a lot, but a few dollars more can get you a much higher end miter saw stand even if you just want something basic. It's rated for 330 pounds, and we stopped at 300 pounds as it seemed to hold steadily there. It was also a bit harder to tip over than saw stands at the same price point, which was how it won out for one of our budget picks. That said, it's really not suitable for job sites or other places where you need to cut some serious lumber. The short extendable arms and relatively low weight capacity don't lend themselves to professional use for the most part. Finally, the top product on our list is the DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with wheels. We're going to start this out by saying thanks to the kind folks at DeWalt Customer Service. Without them, this one wouldn't have made the list. If yours has trouble folding back up like ours did, then you'll need to adjust the cable. It's pretty simple but infuriating if you don't have the fix. DeWalt Miter Saw Stand with wheels 7. That said, this was one of the best of the job site suitable, lightweight miter saw stands that we took a look at. It might be a bit nicer if it was able to hold more than 8 of lumber at a time, but it's certainly no slouch when you compare it to some of the others. The best part of this saw also turned out to be the most annoying. It folds up compactly, making it suitable for tight garages and home workshops where you might otherwise find yourself having trouble fitting a non-folding stand. Compared to the Bosch, it was also easy to lug around, having a similar wheeled design but being almost a third lighter. Overall, it's exactly what you expect from DeWalt, a well-built, portable miter saw stand. The problem with the cable notwithstanding, it's a great choice. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.